Hi guys, welcome back. In this video I will be showing you a Windows application that will help you to optimize your PC. It is none other than WinToys. Copy and paste the link provided in the description and open it. Click on View and Store. Also, you can directly open the Microsoft Store app and search for WinToys. WinToys is an app that will help you to improve your Windows experience by optimizing, repairing, debloating, and tweaking your PC. It will help you to maintain a clean, healthy, and productive state of your PC all at one place. To download the app, click on the Get button. Wait for some time until the app is installed. Once the app is installed, click on Open. Once it opens, it will show you a pop-up message. Read it for better understanding of the app. Basically what it says is, it will scan, repair, and optimize your PC. You can also uninstall the apps that does not show uninstall option. We will check it later. Once the app is opened, it will show different options on the Home option. You can see the computer name, graphics card, Windows version, your PC performance, etc. Now we will check each item in a detailed way. Now click on the apps icon below the Home icon. Here you will see different apps. We will uninstall the Microsoft Edge app as it showed we can uninstall the apps. That does not show uninstall option. Looks like it is a false statement as it is not showing any option to uninstall it. Now click on the services option. Here you will see the services that your PC is currently running. You can also manually search for these services by going to Task Manager and clicking on Services. If you don't use any service, you can stop them. Now go to the Performance tab. Here you will find different settings. Turn on the Ultimate Performance option. It is saying that my PC is not supported for this option. Also, turn on the Hardware Acceleration toggle if is supported by your device. Enable the VBS option. It will protect your PC against vulnerabilities and malicious apps. Under the Startup apps, you will find the apps that are running automatically once the system is started. Turn off the apps that you don't want them to run automatically on Startup. Turn off the Background Apps option. Under the Visual Settings, turn on the desired options you want. Under the Gaming Settings, enable the options that you need. This will improve your gaming experience. It will also help you to increase the frame rates in certain apps. The next options are search indexing, delivery optimization, and network adapter onboard processor. Turn them on or off as per your preference. I'm not changing anything here. I am leaving them as it is. Under the Health tab, you will find different options. Turn on the Fast Boot option. Also, turn on the Hibernation option. Also, turn on the Drive Optimization and Storage Sense options. These options will help you to optimize your PC performance. If you want to know about the battery health, click on the Generate button. Under the Repair tab, click on the checkboxes and click on Repair. It will fix any blue screen errors, failed updates, crashes, and lags. You can also use the memory diagnostic option to check for memory issues. Under the cleanup option, you will find different options like taskbar, junk, file explorer, Microsoft Store, DNS, and system repair options. You can click on any option and clean it. For example here, I want to clean the junk files, so I clicked on junk. Now select all the options and click on delete. It will delete all the junk files present on your PC. Under the System Updates option, you will find 4 different options like Default, Security, Manually, and Disable. Choose the option that finds best for you. When you select the default option, the updates will be downloaded automatically. Like that, the security option will only allow you to update the security updates automatically. If you want to update them manually, you need to select Manual, and if you don't want any option, you will select Disable. Turn on the App Updates option if you want to automatically update the apps. Sleeping Pill option is not supported on my PC. If it supports on your PC, turn it on. If you are facing any issues like freezing or flickering, you need to check your graphic drivers. If you want to clear icon cache or thumbnails, you can use this icon cache option here. Now go to the Tweaks tab. Here you will find different options. The first option is Desktop. Here you will find different options. The This PC option will add the This PC shortcut on the desktop. If you enable it, it will add. Mine is already there, so it didn't update. If I close this, you can see that this PC icon is removed. If I toggled it on, you can see that it is now showing. Note that you need to refresh the desktop to see these changes. Similarly, the Recycle Bin and Widgets options also work. The classic context menu option will take you back to the Windows 10 right-click option, where you can find all the settings under one place. In the Windows 11, you will need to click on More to show these options. You can also adjust the wallpaper quality by using the slider here. Under the Start menu, you will find different options. Turn on or off as per your preferences. Now going to the File Explorer option, you will see a lot of settings there. The first one is File Extension. Enable this option. This is help you to detect whether the file is in which format like JPG, MP4, or MP3 easily as it displays the format along with the file name. Also check the other settings as well. Turn on or off these settings as per your preference. In the Open to Settings, you will find 3 options. Select the best option that finds perfect for you. Here, I am not changing anything. Under the Privacy tab, you will find a lot of settings. Turn these settings on or off as per your preference. You can also turn off these settings by going to the Privacy and Security tab in the settings. But there, you need to manually visit each privacy setting. But in the WinToys privacy options, you will find them directly. You can turn them on or off easily without visiting each item. I am turning off all the options except the error reporting. As we turned off these options, Microsoft won't collect our data and usage patterns. Now, under the ads, option turn off every setting that is enabled by default. Now, under the System tab, enable or disable the settings as per your preference. Here I am not changing anything. I am leaving them as it is. Here you will see an option called God Mode. This will create a desktop shortcut that has all the content related to Control Panel at a single place. The final one is Spotlight Images. If you are using Windows Spotlight wallpaper feature and found an image that is really good, you can come here and download that wallpaper using this feature. Now click on the settings icon, and here you will find different options for dark mode, light mode. Enable them as per your preference. In the General tab, you will find the settings related to landing page, persistent sorting, shortcut, and error reporting. I am not changing them, I am leaving as it is. If the error report is not enabled, you can enable it as it will send the error reports directly to the Microsoft team. So basically, the best features of WinToys is the Privacy and Ads tab. This will help you to disable or enable all the items at one place without manually searching for them in the settings. So that's it for now. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe button. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye.